In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your Chase mobile app. So first thing you need to do is download Chase app on your smartphone and then open it. So once you open it, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. So from here, simply what you need to do is just enter your user ID and your password, and then simply click on this signing option, and you will be sign in your account. If you don't have any account, you can simply click on this sign up or open account button, and then you can enter your details and create your Chase account. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, simply click on this option, forget user ID or password, and then this will ask for your email ID and other account details, and then this will send verification code to your email ID or mobile number. Simply enter that and you will get your user ID or password. So that is how you can sign into Chase app. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.